Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa. You're looking at a 2009 Super Air Nautique Team 210. This is a 21-foot boat from bow to stern with a couple more feet of swim platform here. We've got a tow hook in the back that pops up. We've got a pylon on the top. And this boat is equipped for wakeboarding and water skiing. It's an awesome towboat. We've got a tower that is fixed. Has board racks, ski racks, speakers, traditional pointed bow in the front here, but there's plenty of room to spread out, and there's a filler cushion for more leg room. You can just take that out. There's a 12-volt receptacle there. There's also one under the sun pad, so you can fill up your tubes or any inflatable mats that you might have on board. Right back here, there's a little 12-volt port right there. This has a Pleasurecraft EX343 engine in it. It's an inboard. Inside the boat, we've got our Clarion stereo remote. The head unit's located in the glove box there. You do have auxiliary input so that you can plug in your phone if you want to. There's a 12-volt receptacle there for charging your phone too, and a little pocket to keep it out of the sun. You've got a keypad ignition, cruise control, depth reader, hour meter. This boat is under 340 hours. We've got a retractable heater hose there and another one here in the cockpit. Polk audio subwoofers, JL audio speakers, ski locker, another deep storage locker down here with the actual cooler built in down there. We've got a port side backrest that flips up and a fixed starboard side backrest. And then this center seat actually can be flipped down and used as a table. So when you're ready to have a snack on a long day on the water, all you have to do is flip that down and you're good to go. Come visit us at MarineMax Nisswa. This boat is available today, and we look forward to seeing you soon.